So here a by b whole to the power of m whole power n. Okay, a power m whole power n. Formula is a to the power of m into n. 2 by 3 whole power 4 is there. Now one more formula which you have to use is a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m. This power belongs to both numerator and denominator. It becomes a power m by b power m. So if I apply for this one, 2 by 3 whole power 4 becomes a 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. 2 power 4 means 2 you have to write 4 times and you have to multiply. 3 power 4 means 3 you should write 4 times and you have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 16 by 81. Okay. So its simplification is this one. So to learn these problems, these formulae are very very important. If you don't know the formula, you can't do the problems. Now we will go with the next problem. That is fifth question. Simplify and give reason. Fifth question in exercise 4.1 only. 3 square minus 2 square divided by 1 by 5 whole square. These problems are very important for your higher studies, means 9th and 10th. So if you don't know this, you can't get through that examinations. Now, what I have to do? So first 3 square means how much here? I said a square means a into a. 3 square means what? 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So 3 square means 9. 2 square. Again same formula. A square formula a into a. 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Divided by 1 by 5 whole square. 9 minus 4. From 9, if you subtract 4, you are getting 5. Divided by 1 by 5 whole square. I said 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So 5 by 1 fraction as it is arrowed. Divided by symbol I am changing into, and this fraction is reversed I said. 5 by 1 whole square. 5 5s are 25. Again whole square. So a square means a into a. 25 square means 25 into 25. So 25 into 25 is easy. 5 5 is 25 should write. Both are same numbers means that number and its next number. 2 3s are 625. 35 35 is if you want to write 5 5 is 25 should write. Both are same numbers means take one number. Its next number 3 4s are 12 25 like this. Now 25 square is nothing but 625. The answer for this one is 625. Next question, sixth one. Next sixth question is find the value of n in each of the following. 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 2. So here we have one formula a power m into a power n. Bases are same, between into is there. The formula is powers must be added. Powers must be added. Here what is the base? 2 by 3. Here what is the base? 2 by 3. In between which symbol is there? Into. Means you have to write base one time. Powers must be added. This is equal to same I am writing. Right hand side. Whatever is there, I wrote same. Now 2 by 3 same. For 3 if you add 5 you are getting 8. 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. So here a power m is equals to a power n. bases are same, is equal to is there. Powers must be equated. You have to write here, if bases are equal, powers must be equated. See, two formula will be there. Equated will come, added will come. See here, bases are equal, powers must be added. Bases are equal, powers must be equated. So, for both formula, bases are equally same. So, how to know whether it is added or equated means here between symbol into is there means added. Between symbol is equal to is there means equated. Now what you have to do is 8 is equals to n minus 2. What I done? Powers must be equated. I equated the powers. Here power is 8, here power is n minus 2. I equated here. Minus 2 take to this side. 8 plus 2 is equals to n. So for 8 if you add 2 you are getting 10. 10 is equal to n and n is equals to 10 or same. So you got n is equals to 10. Okay. Now if you can't see here, I will write here 8 is equal to n minus 2, nothing but minus 2 take to this side, minus 2 becomes plus 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 is equal to n. That's it. Okay. Next, we'll go to the next problem. What is the next problem? See it once in the textbook. Minus 3 whole to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 whole to the power of 5 is equals to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 5. Now see, if bases are equal, powers must be added. Why added I have to say means into is there between these two. So I have to write base one time, I have to add the powers n plus 1 plus 5. And here minus 3 whole power minus 4 is same. Now 1 is the number, 5 is the number. For 1, if you add 5, you are getting 6. So here a power m into a power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. The formula I have to write is bases are equal, powers must be added when into is there in between. Now here is equal to is there, it is LHS, it is RHS. Bases are equal, but in middle you have is equal to symbol. So powers must be equated. So n plus 6 is equal to minus 4. So n is equal to plus 6 is going to that side, it becomes minus 6. N is equals to minus 10. You have n is equals to minus 10. So you can do another one like this. What is another question? You have 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equals to 7 cube. It is the question. Now 7 power 2n plus 1 as it is, 49 can be written as 7 square is equal to 7 cube. So here 7 power 2n plus 1 by, divided by means this by 7 square is equal to 7 cube. So you have one formula, a power m by a power n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. So it is m, it is n. You have to write base one time, m as it is minus this 2 is equal to 7 cube. Here 1 minus 2. 2 minus 1 means 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay. So here I have to write here. I'll write on the top here. So 7 power 2n as it is written. This 1 minus 2 if I simplify I will get minus 1 is equal to 7 cube. Now bases are equal, powers must be equated or added, is equal to is there, equated. So 2n minus 1 is equal to 3, 2n is equal to minus 1 is going to here, it will be plus 1, then 3 plus 1 is how much here? 4, 2n is equal to 4, n is equals to 4 by 2, so n is equals to 2. So n is equals to, like this you can do it. Okay. Next, seventh question. What is seventh question says? Find x. Find x if 2 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power x. It is very simple. 2 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power x, write it. I said one formula, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Okay, 2 power minus 3, okay. If 1 by 2 power x can be written as 2 power minus x. 1 by 2 power x, 2 power minus x. Bases are same. Powers must be equated. Minus 3 is equal to minus x. Cancel minus on both sides. You have x is equal to 3. So it is 8th, 9th and 10th are very, very important. Okay. So 8th, 9th, 10th you can see in the next class. Okay, thank you. Students, we will continue exercise 4.1. So in this, simplify and give reasons. Fourth question. Simplify and give reasons. So you have maybe 1-2 questions I said to you. I'll go with the fifth problem in this. 1 plus 2 power minus 1, 3 power minus 1 plus 4 to the power of 0. Simplify. So how to simplify, we'll see it. If in power minus is there, it should be written as 1 by a power m. A to the power of minus m formula 1 by a power m. So if I see 2 power minus 1, minus is there means 1 by I have to write it. Base is a here, base is 2. Power is m, power is 1. Means 1 by 2. 2 power minus 1, I can write it as 1 by 2. This 1 is as it is. 2 power minus 1 means 1 by 2. 3 power minus 1 means 1 by 3. Any base, if its power is 0, its value is 1. So 4 power 0 is 1 only. Now this is 1, this is 1. 1 plus 1 becomes what? 2. Plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Now denominator is 1, 2, 3 is there. LCM for 1, 2, 3 is 6. So one table you have to read until 6 will come, because 6 is LCM here. One table when 6 will come 6 times. This is 6 I am writing here into this fractions numerator I have to write. This is completed plus I have to write. Here what I done, for this also I should do same. Here one table I write because one table I read because 1 is there in the denominator. Here 2 is there in the denominator, so I have to write 2 table until 6 will come. 2 table if I read when 6 will come means 3 times. This 3 I am writing here, it's a numerator. This fractions numerator is 1. Next same. Here 2 table why I write means being 2 is there in the denominator. Here 3 table I have to read until 6 will come. 3 table when 6 will come means 2 times into its numerator 1. Now BODMAS rule. In BODMAS rule, first you have to do addition or multiplication. Multiplication. See multiplication symbols. 6 2s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2 by 6. Don't add 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 means you are doing addition. So in BODMAS rule, first addition you should not do. First you have to do multiplication. Now 12 plus 3, 15 plus 2, 17 by 6. So this 17 by 6 is simplification of this one. Okay. Reasons means whatever formula you used, you have to write inside the brackets. Okay. Now we will go with next problem. Next problem, what it is, see here. This is 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 whole to the power of 2. 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 whole square. It is the problem. Now, I said one formula, a by b whole to the power of minus m is there. Directly you can learn as a formula. Here, you have to interchange numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. A by b, reverse. If I do it, it becomes b by a. And you have to remove this minus symbol. You have to write m. See here, a by b whole power minus m can be written as b by a whole power m. So here 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 is there. These two are same or not? What you have to do? In power you have to remove minus. And this is reversed. Means 2 by 3. Same I am writing here. Here I am writing 2 by 3 whole square, again whole square. Now, a power m whole power n. Formula is a to the power of m into n. It is formula. Here you have to write 2 by 3 whole power 2 into 2. Means 2 by 3 whole power 4. 2 by 3 whole power 4.